Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color the balloons. It is very easy, just follow me. First we use black marker for outline. Draw the first balloon. Draw the second one. Draw the third one. And draw the last one. Make sure they all overlap a little bit, keeping them close together in a small bunch. Draw the strings and tie the strings. Like these. Time to add some color. First we use brown color for the first balloon. Like these. Then we use sky blue color, a very cool color. Don't cross the lines. Like these. Very good. Color the third one with pink color. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat. Like these. Very good. In the last we use parrot color. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the line. Good job, kids. Then we use black marker to make it stand out. Like these. Very good. And that's it. Your balloons are ready. Allah Hafiz.